welcome back to this month's episode of Palmera Go. Happy June, everyone! I'd like to take a moment to thank you all for filling out our survey from last month's episode. Thanks to you, we have a bunch of topics to cover, so let's get started. Someone wrote in wondering if there was a way to book more than 1 week together on the Palmera Vacation Club portal, for example, 4 to 6 weeks in winter. Many people escape the cold to stay in Hilton Head for a milder climate, so let's find out how. As of right now, booking through your portal will allow you to reserve up to 1 week at a time. Through the Palmera Resorts point option, the maximum length of a stay will show 7 nights, and this goes across the board with any VIP weeks and smart stays that are available. But never fear, booking combined weeks is only a phone call away to our helpful member service staff. Of course, you may always email them with whatever dates you were planning on booking for as well, if you prefer. As always, we're happy to hear from you, and this page is an easy way to ask questions or give us feedback. And remember, you always have the live chat option available if you have any questions at all. The second most popular response from our survey was about the RCI Exchange. Again, I'd like to thank everyone for providing destinations that you're interested in visiting. Since I can't get to all of them in one video, the majority of you wanted to see more about Florida, so let's start there. And don't worry, whatever I don't cover in this month's video, I'll show in July's video. It looks like there's 8,889 units available with all sorts of date ranges, so let's check it out. Some of you wanted to focus on the Florida Panhandle, so let's take a look. All of these resorts look like they're right on the beach. How cool is that? This one, let's see, Ocean Towers Beach Club looks like it's a Gold Crown resort, and look at this Silver Crown resort, Club Wyndham. Look at those sandy white beaches and that beautiful pool. Wouldn't you love waking up to the ocean every morning? For those of you who didn't have the Florida Panhandle or Panama City Beach on their vacation radar, maybe you should give it some thought. It's a beautiful place with what looks like a ton of activities for all ages. This website is super helpful and it's making me want to visit. Let's get back to RCI and find more great destinations. Fun fact, RCI uploads an average of 1,000 new units and just 1,000 points or less option every night at midnight. That just shows how important it is that you keep checking what's available. Your dream vacation might not be listed today, but might pop up tomorrow. There seems to be a good amount of 1,000 points or less options available in Florida for your summer vacation still. It may not be in the Panhandle, but look how fun this resort looks like. It looks perfect for a family vacation. The funny thing is, I had never heard of Indian Rocks Beach before finding this resort, and after a little bit of research, it looks like a fantastic place to visit. That just shows how valuable it is to see what RCI has available. You never know what you'll find. That's it for this month's video. There are many destination requests and questions I wasn't able to get to in this video, so be on the lookout for next month's Palmera Go. Until next time!